Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how to do mass activation of ICF node for OData services and UEFI BSP. Friends who have not seen the previous video, please go and check because that is a prerequisite for this video because in the previous video I have shown how to add OData service in activate and maintain service in the gateway layer. So once those auditor services are activated over there, then only ICF node can be activated. Otherwise, it cannot be activated. So please go and check the previous video of part 1. We'll provide the link in the description. You can also check from there. So coming to this video, here I would be guiding you for ICF node activation both for BSP and auditor services. For mass activation of ICF node, we would again will be going to the T code stc01, and now we would be enter the task list as sap underscore basis underscore activate ICF underscore nodes. This is the task list that we would be entering now, and after entering we would be executing it, and after execution is done we would provide. So So for the all the auditor services, we will be checking the auditor services in Gateway if they are activated or not. We'll be going to main services, and suppose this is one auditor. We will just see if the this ICF node is activated or not. So you can see the ICF node is not activated. We can manually activate it from here as well. Like just click on activate. It will ask for the package name, and that's it. It is getting activated. Okay. And for the BSP part, these are the two BSP. So BSP is nothing but the UI5 application. The UI source code is residing under those BSP. So this is the BSP name. We have to frame a URL like this /sap/bc/wi5 /sap. You can get this URL already pre-framed from Fiori app library. So this is a Fiori app library which I have shown in my video number 1. Fiori app reference library. If you scroll down for a particular application, sorry, by selecting SAP Wi-Fi application, you can see a link is mentioned SAP BC Wi-Fi SAP followed by the BSP name. This is the path to the ICF node. You can directly copy this ICF node and paste it over here in the notepad. So I'm just copying this to BSP. Now what we will be doing, we will be going to the T-code /n stc01, and we would, in order to activate the ICF node, we will have to enter SAP basis activate ICF nodes. Click on execute option, check click on the checkbox, go to the parameter here, enter the paste the copied URL, and the virtual host will be the default host and expand flag is X. Okay, now click on save, go back and click on execute option. The moment you execute it, it is showing that the task list run successfully. Okay, finish successfully. So you can check /n SICF, go to SICF T code, and you can enter the BSP name. Suppose this is the BSP name, and in the SICF T code just enter this BSP name. You will find that it is activated. See, it is activated. It is activated. Hence it is uh, hence the activated service is in disable mode. This is how it works actually. Now we have activated both the auditor service ICF node manually and the UI5 BSP code via this program stc01 followed by the task list name, and in the task list we have provided SAP basis activate ICF nodes for activating the ICF nodes in bulk. That's all for today's video. Thank you.